I'm not a moron at first, and second, I'm a doctor still, even when I'm unemployed.
I'm out.
But it's like whenever their moods are changing, that's the time you get to know about it. Like, oh, there is something wrong, and then you ask that question to them.
इसको बाद में बताती हूँ. मंथ में 4 फेज रहते हैं, उसमें से एक है ना.
Do you know what a menstrual cycle is?
No. What's that? What's that?
A menstrual cycle, a period. Like how a woman gets a period every month.
Of course I do. I'm a doctor. I think
Yeah.
you were talking about men. Did I hear that wrong?
No, menstrual cycle.
A menstrual. Yes, of
Yeah.
course I do. Oh, Jesus.
So I have some idea on that.
What is your idea?
It lasts for 7 days and willing once a month.
तो मंथ में 4 फेज रहते हैं, उसमें से एक है ना.
हाँ, बाकी phases का नाम पता है?
एक क्या था, ओव्यूलेशन ऐसे कुछ तो था ना.
हाँ. क्या बोला?
मेरे को इतना याद नहीं है.
हम हंस रहे हैं, अपने अपने दर्द पे हंस रहे हैं.
But, do you know what a luteal phase is? Maybe a lot of people don't, including me.
Healthy routine and a lifestyle in terms of maintaining it well.
So the way your period is one part of the menstrual cycle and ovulation is another part. Same way luteal is another part of the cycle. Luteal happens right before the period. So like you said, जब थोड़ी moody होने लगती है या फिर कभी-कभी acne वगैरह होता है and all of that. That happens during the luteal phase because the hormones में there are a lot of changes. Something he said earlier. Anyway,
That's on me. I set the bar too low.
Yes.
what is the physical baby's first one?
It's that moment you're like, hey honey, I made you breakfast. Are you alright? No, I hate you. Fuck off. I hate you to the fullest. And anyways, I'm questioning our relationship. Fuck off. I
Pretty
do not
smart,
want to see you ever again. That's it. And then you're like, oh, sorry. Forgot the banana.
I said I don't know. It's
Okay.
premature syndrome.
Premenstrual syndrome.
Menstrual.
Yeah, so this is something that happens right before your period. Like you said, sometimes women get moody and stuff. So this happens because your hormones are at
Yeah,
flux
yeah,
right before your period. So that's
Yeah.
what we call PMS. Do you know what a menstrual cup is?
And alternate use of tampon.
Oh yeah, pretty good. What do you think it looks like?
Funny.
Yeah, have you seen it?
Kind of.
And like, how do you use it?
I have not tried.
Because you haven't tried. So, do you know what pads and tampons are? So, a menstrual cup is something which is another option for women to use. If they don't want to use pads or tampons, then you use menstrual cup. It's made of silicone, and you kind of like stick it in
All
your
right.
cervix
Okay.
to collect them.
Okay. Thanks for educating me.
It is like because of pad you have to remove like it again and again, but menstrual cup is really good for you. But you have to learn to use that because it is like something, I feel it is something difficult to use.
Well, as far as I see, it's less a cup than more a condom-sized little bowl. And then you just, you stick it up your genitals. You have to put it the way that it doesn't flush out. And then it holds the period blood, but not for too long. And what from I've heard is girls have to, kind of every now and then check if it's all good. That's what I've heard.
And if you keep it for longer than 12 hours, you get toxic shock.
Oh yeah, don't do that.
Wouldn't recommend.
No, we do not recommend.
Doctor doesn't recommend.
He's a doctor too.
Really?
So 2/3 of us as doctors, we do not recommend more than 12 hours.
I am not a doctor, but I would recommend.
Like, share, and subscribe.